Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. In the previous lecture, we have started the noun, and in that noun topic, we have seen the types of noun also and noun gender and types of gender also. Now in today's lecture, we are going to learn about the noun number. It means that the noun which is showing the number of things. The number of things in a sentence that we call the noun number. Now let's see. There are noun, number showing noun. Number showing noun in a sentence is of two types. First is singular noun, second is plural noun. Now first is singular noun. So what is singular noun? A noun that denotes one thing or one person that we call a singular noun. It means that in a sentence, if the noun is showing in a sentence, if noun is showing one person or one thing, the noun is showing one person or one thing that we call a singular noun. For example, boy, girl, pen, etc. And now second is a plural noun. So what is mean by plural noun? A noun that denotes more than one thing or one person. So see, what we saw about the singular noun. Singular means the noun which showing one person or one thing. It means singular. So opposite of that, plural means the noun which is showing more than one person or more than one thing. More than one person or more than one thing is called as a plural noun. For example, boys, girls, pens, etc. Now, how plural form? How we can form a plurals? There are many ways to form a plural. So we say like that there are 6 rules. 6 rules of forming a plural noun from the singular noun. It means that if we have to form a plural noun from the singular noun, there are 6 rules. So first rule is by adding s. So first rule is only just you have to add s at the end of noun. For example, boy, boys. Boy is singular, boys is plural. So we have just added here s at the end of noun. Desk, desks. Here also noun is desk. So we have added s to make a plural form of singular. Then girl, girls. Here also we have added s to make a plural form. Second rule is noun is ending with s, ch, sh or x, then add es. If the noun in a sentence is ending with s, ch, sh, x, then add es. For example, class. Class is noun. So class is ending with s. So we have added here es. Box, boxes. Dish, dishes. Next rule is add es. Add es at the end if the noun ends with o. If the noun is ending with o, if the noun is ending with letter o, then add es. Like hero, heroes. Here noun is ending with o. So we have added here es. The noun which ends with o, then add es. Next is for some noun add only s. Some nouns with ending o. For that nouns we have to add just s. Not es, only s. For example, photo, photos. Here we just added s. Then next rule is if noun ending with y, then y change to the I and add es. If the noun is ending with y, If the noun is ending with Y, then change that Y into the I, letter I, and add ES. It means that we have to drop Y and we have to add IES. Like baby. Baby is ending with Y. So we have dropped here Y and we have added IES. It means that babies. Baby, babies. Next, lady, ladies. Here also we have dropped Y and we have added IES. Next rule is, some noun ends with FE. Then it change into V. Some nouns are ends with F or FE. Then it change into V and add ES. Here also, if the noun is ending with F or FE, that time we have to drop F or FE and that we have to change into the VES. Instead of F or FE, we have to add VES, like life, lives. We have dropped here FE and we have added LIVES, lives. Next is wife, wives. So we have dropped here FE and we have added here VES. Next rule is, for some noun with F, add only S or VES. Some nouns are there which is ending with F. For that noun, only just we have to add S or VES, like scarf. So, scarves plural will be scarves also and scarves also. So, we have dropped here F and we have added VES, that is also correct, or only join S, that is also correct for some noun only. Next is, but for some noun add only S. But some nouns are there, for that we no need to drop F or FE. Only just we have to add S, like safe, safes, proof, proofs. So students, again we will see what is singular and plural. So singular means what? A noun that denotes one thing or one person, that we call a singular noun. And plural noun means what? A noun that denotes more than one person or more than one thing, that we call a plural noun. So these are the some rules to forming a singular into the plural noun. Thank you.